Hello everyone and welcome to Crafted by a Queen. I have another exciting box opening. Let me see if I can turn it here. I bought the Cricut Maker 3. Whoops. Let's see if I can even get it in here. Here we go. Yes, a big old box for a big old machine. So in another opening, I had the Essential Bundle Kit, and I did mention I bought a Cricut Maker 3. And so this video is gonna be the box opening of my Cricut Maker 3, and I hope you guys are excited to see what's in this as much as I am. I'm not gonna have a lot of box opening stuff on my channel, but I am going to be having some crafts and projects that you can follow along with me. I'll be doing some painting and some Cricut projects. So if you are interested in crafting or just want to watch for inspiration or whatever the case may be, then you can just hit that subscribe button to my channel and you'll be able to see when new videos are out. So let's see what's in this machine. I've never owned a Cricut machine before. I'm brand new to this Cricut world, and let's just hope I can be as successful as all the people I see online. I'm gonna put these scissors down. All right, this is a box in a box, so let me get that out. Oh, it's so heavy. All right, so I got my Cricut machine off of the Cricut website. I got it it wasn't on sale, but I have that Honey app downloaded on my computer, and it was able to find me a 10% off coupon and free shipping. So I was like, this is less than what it was gonna cost me even anywhere else, locally, in person. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna order it online and hope it works. All right, so I finally cut all the tape so I can open it up. All right, I already opened it up and it says you are meant to make. All right, Cricut, I hope you are telling me the truth. I hope that what I make is good. And then as soon as you open it up, it says Cricut. So let's see what is in here. I'll have to figure out a better camera setup next time. But like I said, I'm not really gonna have any box openings in the future. So there's this thing here on top. It's probably gonna be the user manual. So I'm gonna move this machine to the side, and as I pull stuff out, I will display it for you guys. All right, so we got this. All right, so that's trash. Let's get started. Activate your machine. Need help. Okay, so it's just telling you where to go to set up your machine, to your account, and need help. So this is probably how you connect your machine. And then we got this. Smart vinyl. So it's just one piece. Use this during setup to make a sticker. Okay, I don't know if it's, oh, it is right here, removable. Okay, cool. So maybe I'll make a little sticker for my blender or something cool. And then the warranty. We'll read that later. was kind of hoping it was a full sheet of smart paper, but Oh well. Lots of packaging I have to take out here, guys. 1 second. So then tucked in the back side, I did find this. So this looks like some smart paper stuff. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, so here's the free sample stuff I was looking for. I thought we got. Okay, so it looks like we got 4 different things in here. We got smart vinyl removable in black. So it's the same exact, it feels the same exact like this, and it's just half a sheet. Well, that's interesting. Okay, well, at least they gave you a sample thing, I guess, before you used a whole sheet. And you got transfer tape. And then you have a navy. This is a really nice blue. What is it? Smart iron-on. So if you didn't watch my other video, I don't have an easy press. So this will be set aside until maybe Christmas, and I put it on my Christmas list and hope I get it. If not, I'll save up my Christmas money for an easy press. Then I can actually use that. Then what's this guy? Smart paper sticker cardstock. So is it a sticker? Yeah, it's a sticker. I didn't know they had that paper. Cool. So I'll put these over to the corner now. Actually, I'm gonna put it back in this bag. That way it doesn't get dirty, since there's white. Ugh. Then I found the machine next on the stack. All right, I'm gonna move that up. So here it is. It's covered in plastic. Go ahead and open that up. Don't want to get any scratches on the machine before you start. So this is, I think it's mint. Can't really tell the color very well today because it's a little bit rainy. But it did say the color is mint. So it has a nice little area. Oh, maybe I'll put a sticker on this machine. That'll be good. I do like this tray setup. So let me go and grab my tools for my essential bundle kit. And I'll put in some tools. Now I thought there was, let's see, what is this thing? Oh, that's fancy. It opened up on its own. And then here's a tray to put all your little gizmos and gadgets. So I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a metal magnet for like removable blades. That'd be really, really cool. So I'm gonna keep this super sharp blade in here so I don't hurt myself. This looks like it'll fit in this section. And then I don't know, I haven't really seen anyone use this, but I'll keep it in here. So I'll keep my scissors up here, my tweezers here, and my weeder up here for now until, well, that's actually kind of sharp. So maybe I'll just put them all in here until I figure out how to use these sharp objects. Now, I don't know, maybe this is like replacement blades or stuff, I don't know. Maybe we'll figure it out. So if I put it in there, it didn't, oh, it clicked. That's good. Oh, there's a little wrapper here. So here's a clamp B, there's nothing in it, and then this one has something. Oh, there's plastic here, so you got to cut these little plastics before you start. It's interesting. So I'll clip that in. I like how it will force itself up. The lid's doing this on its own. But I kind of wish it would just be a little bit easier to push. But I guess that's fine. So I'll move that up there. And there's more stuff in the box. It looks like we got our cord to plug it in. USB connector. And silica gel. And that's it. That's all that's in my box. So I guess it's just the basics. And that's why I did buy that essential bundles, because I saw that it didn't have all the tools. So you just get the machine, the cord, a thing to connect to your computer if you don't have wireless, and then some example paper, smart paper to use. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was exciting to watch. Be sure to check back to see what creations and projects I make, and you can follow along with me. See you guys next time.